the Honorable Inducting Officer and Guest of Honor, the Honorable Jesse James Namohe, to our DILG, Ma'am Regina Dong-e, to our pastor here, Pastor Marvin Nangligan. May I take this opportunity to extend my personal thanks to the Office of Congressman Solomon Sumalaw, represented here by Sir Ramses. Thank you for adopting us into the Congressman's party. Of course, to the newly elected Governor of the province of Ifugao, this is my chance to publicly express my gratitude for including us, me personally, into your party. It is a big factor in us winning. My fellow members of the soon-to-be constituted 20th Sangguniang Panlalawigan, headed by our soon-to-be presiding officer, Honorable Omar Habawel, former officials, provincial and municipal, our families, friends, ladies and gentlemen. Love is sweeter, or in our case, winning is sweeter the second time around, so they say. But there is a part of winning that at times bittersweet. Especially if you realize that every time you win, somebody has to lose. And perhaps it's part of the game, part of the reality that we all have to face. This humble representation too has his own share of losing. But this makes me appreciate my position better. And this also inspires me to do my best, because I know that this position that I have has been denied to other people. And so I know what it feels. On a personal note, I also felt a tinge of sadness while I took my oath of office, because for the 5th time that I had my oath of office here at the Capitol, this time I don't have my father with me anymore. We lost him this year. And so I know that wherever he is, he would always be proud of our little achievements. And I know, and I attribute my winning to his selfless sacrifice of teaching the many generations of young Ifugao as public school teacher. And I know that wherever he is, he would always continue to guide and protect me as I continue with this fresh mandate from our people. To the people of District 2, many of whom are not here today because of distance and because of this live para kanyari Betay Apo. And to all the people of Ifugao, I say thank you for your support. So to all and sundry, let us all enjoy today's activities. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Honorable Joseph Odan. Before we will proceed to the next, may we also acknowledge the presence of the PNP